Hi everybody, Film here. I got some news. I've been working on the short bot, and today I'm going to put it live for testing. So you guys can try it now as you see the video. So here we are on Binance, BTC USDC for example, and what I did is I transferred some USDC on my isolated margin because I'm going to trade using isolated margin, not cross margin. And so I got I transferred USDC, I got 20. And so on the bot page, I can see I created a BTC USDC bot, and I can see my free available USDC. So what I'm going to do is to just copy the message to enter short. Okay, I'm going to go on TradingView, and I got a test alert script. If you need it for testing, you can ask me, I can give you the script. Basically what I do, I just copy paste the message in the alert, then I create the alert. Okay, so I use alert function calls, and notification I'm going to copy the webhook URL and paste it here. And that's it. I click create, it will create an alert and automatically trigger it, so you can see it's triggered. So right now in Binance I should have a position short. Let's check it. Okay, we can see I already did earlier, but the new one is here at the top. So we can see that I shorted at $63,720 USDC. This is where we are at right now. And you can see it got executed. If I go back to the bot page and I refresh, we should see the order on the list. So this is the last line. You can see it's a sell order with 0.0023 BTC, which is the equivalent to the 15 USDC I used. And in the logs, we can see symbol BTC USDT sell market and the quantity it's quote, so it's the USDC 15, and we have a margin buy that triggered. Also, it's isolated. So this is the bot logs. It's green, it means it worked. And what we can see now is that we have more USDC available because we borrowed some BTC and sold it. This is basically what the enter short did. It automatically borrow and sell. So it borrowed the amount of BTC equivalent to 15 USDC, then sold it. That's why we have USDC right now. So if we look at the liquidate price, it is like 147,000 USDC. So we're really far from the liquidation price, and this is really important, guys. I don't want to take risks while shorting. I just wanted to create a bot for now that's really not risky, but which is able to take profit from bear markets and move to the downside. The margin level is still excessive, as we can see. It's really impossible to get liquidated right now. And so what I'm going to do is to close the short. So to close the short, I'm just going to set an exit short message. Now what it's going to do is going to buy some BTC and repay the borrow that I did with the enter short. So I create another alert. Can delete this one. It's fine. Create a new alert, and it's going to be, you can call it exit short if you want. And boom, it's sent. And now in Binance, we should see already the new buy, which is the exit short, in fact. So we can see it worked. And in the short bot page, if I refresh, we're back to liquidate price of 0. We're back to our initial bot available USDT. And in the list of trades, we can see that it boots just now with the same amount of BTC that it sold earlier. And the bot log as well, you can see a buy market with the quantity in BTC. We can see that it auto repaid. So that's what I told about the automatically repaid the amount of BTC we borrowed. And so if we manage to buy at a price lower than we bought, which is not the case right now, we would have made some BTC profits. So basically that's how a short bot is working. So it uses isolated margin, not cross margin, okay? And so it's going to be very nice when we are in a bear market. Right now we're kind of bullish, but if we experience some long bear market like we did like in 2023, it's going to be really useful. And I'm also going to share some charts with chart signals in the future, so stay tuned. If you're ready to try the bot, just join my website and my Discord channel, and I will help you use it. As you can see, it's really simple. Just have to copy. So, for example, I want to create like I want to use it on my indicator. I will just copy the message, go into the settings, scroll down until the alerts. Here I can see short entry. Okay, what I'm going to do is Control A and Control V. I'm just going to put my message here. I'm going to do the same thing with exit short, for example. For example, short take profit is going to be short exit. I'm just going to copy this. It says it, so it didn't work. Okay, it's a buy actually. Yeah. Right. So that's it. Basically, you click OK. You just need to create your alerts. Alert function calls, notification webhook. It should save it. Make sure it's trade shorts for shorts, and click create. Basically, that's it for the short bots. Yeah, be careful that you do not set a default quantity that is bigger than your available USDC or quote quantity, and you won't be liquidated. So this is like shorting with a leverage below 1. This is like longing. This is like buy sell, but in the reverse for short. Well, that's it, guys. If you have any question, I will be available on the Discord channel. And yeah, if you're new to this, just join my website, Blockchain Fiesta. I will put a link in the description. And you can get started for like as little as $15 a month to have bots. I'm going to add the short bots to the list. And that's it, guys. See you in the next video.